Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing and installation video. Today I'm taking out these little sconces or reading lights that can go by your headboard or something. These are dimmable, fully adjustable. You can get them in black or brass colored. First off, we have these instructions. These can be hardwired or they can be plugged in. So if you have a junction box, these can be hardwired right in. First off, here we have LED light bulb, and this is a dimmable one, so that's pretty cool. I like these ones, these light bulbs here with they look like old-time fashion ones. They're really cool. All right, so this is like a brass-looking color, kind of nice. It's going to be our lampshades there, kind of directing our light, just like that. And we have all the hardware here. So if you are going to hardwire it, there's all the necessary components right there. We'll just be plugging this in. Here in this box, we have our secondary light bulb, so that's cool. And we have two of these. So let's see here. See if this wants to come out of there or not. I'm not sure what is holding this in there. It's wrapped up nicely. All right, so there we have it. And as you can see, it's got all the necessary components if you want to hardwire this or not. So for now, we'll just tuck those under, and we have just our plug-in right here, which has an on-off switch right here, and that is nice. Also, this features, this is fully adjustable here. You can loosen this up, and this goes pretty much any direction that you want. And this also can move up and down and rotate, so this is going to cover pretty near every direction that you want. And we have this switch here that you can turn it all the way up and have this dimmable, so a nice little reading light there too. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I'll let you guys see how that works. All right, so the first step for this reading lamp is we're going to remove the back portion. Now I just unscrew these screws real quick, and that gives us this. We're not going to hardwire this because I don't have an outlet right here, so I'm just simply going to use this backdrop that I already had here. Okay, so here we go. Just unscrew that, and then basically you just want to make sure that these are going to be level. So with that said, I'm just going to put it right here. I already have my screw right there. I'm going to back out this ground a little bit so that allows my thing to go flat. And then I can just screw this on. Now, one thing you want to do is run a level across your screws right here to make sure those are level. I'm just lining them up with my board here, right here, so I know that it's good to go. Okay, there we go. All right. So now that we have that, we'll just put our lamp on here. And that's just going to have our holes come out right there. Okay, so what's going on? Those wires are right there, that's fine. Just need that to go through there, and then find our other wire. Our other one's right there. Okay. And now this should simply screw on there. But one moment, I had this screw sticking out a little bit, so. All right. And here we go. Should go on just fine now. There we are. Let me just hand tighten these on there. Look at that. That is pretty elegant right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, now we can just put our lampshade on there, which it is. So we just unscrew this top portion right here. Very easily. Just keeps going, doesn't it? My goodness. Okay, finally got it off. And then this will go on there like this. Just slide that up on there. And then screw this on there. There we have it. Now we take our light bulb here and just screw it up into there. And there we have our light. Simply plug it in now. We undo the wire, and it makes a nice little reading lamp here, which is super handy. All right. Plug-ins right there, and plug it in. And there we go. Look at that. That is super nice. This can be adjusted. I want it up here or down. Anywhere I want this to be. This can be up or down too. And then this one, super easy and quick to adjust any way that I want it. And then this way can go also like that. So if I wanted to, I could tuck this wire, over around behind here, bring it down here, or whatever I want to do. But it doesn't look like too horrible right there. Or I could just even put in a little tag there and keep the wire nice in place with some wire guides. Also turn that off and on. I could run it behind my board if I wanted to, or I could hardwire it if I had a thing there. So I'm going to go ahead and put one on the other side real quick. All right, this is the same step as that other one. Go ahead and just remove these. Hopefully it doesn't fall somewhere we can't get it. Okay. There's our backing portion. And we're just going to follow the same steps real quick. Alrighty, my friends, I got my screw right here. That's going to go right in there. Okay, once again, we're just going to make this level, leveling off of my previous one down there. There we are. Simple and quick. And now this, loosen this up so we can bring this out. Okay. And this is just going to go right over the top of those, if we can find it. Sometimes the easiest way is to look through the hole, find the screw, and just follow it down onto the screws, just like that. And these have nice little ridges on them, so they're super easy to screw in. And there we are. Adjust that to whatever height we want. Normally, I would put in 2 screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, in that to hold it. But you guys are going to get the idea there. And 1 screw will hold sufficiently. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this real quick. My goodness, takes forever. It feels like it takes forever to unscrew this, but I like the look of it. Looks pretty nice. Get this cone on here, just like that, and it's going to screw on here. Quick as you please. Get our light bulb, which comes with that. I like it, and it's an LED, and it's got the nice yellow hue to it. Definitely cool. I can angle this over my bed here if I'm reading right there. We'll take this off. And this can go down here. Just wanted to try to tie a knot there. All right, there we go. I'll just bring this down by the side of the bed here. Plug it in. I have this little switch here. And turn that on. There we go. Apparently it was off already, so. All right, so there we have it. I can sit here. I could be reading in my bed. And if I wanted to, I could just dim this light here. Turn it off like that. Or I could just reach over here, turn off my side of the bed, and just go to sleep. But if really like that's fully adjustable anyway I want to hold it. Sometimes a lot of bedrooms like ours had a light right in the middle, so if you are reading, the light's behind you, so it's difficult to see, you know. So with this, I just pop on my light real quick, and there's plenty of reading light there, and it's nice. And I can dim it if it's darker, or I want my partner to be sleeping, and I can just turn this way down so I can still see, but it's not going to really affect them. So I really like this. It looks kind of elegant. I like how it's really fully adjustable and everything. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.